One of the best-selling crossovers in many automotive markets, in particular in North America, the Honda Srv 2023, has received a serious reboot. And this event did not go unnoticed by motorists and experts in the outgoing week. The Srv cannot be called a glamorous car, like some kind of sports car, but it is very popular due to its practicality and high level of equipment. An exquisite interior is hidden under the durable appearance of the novelty. In addition, the Japanese model received a new hybrid engine as a result of the update, which boasts not only economy, but also a good power indicator. The appearance of the updated Honda Srv 2023 probably did not come as a surprise to many fans of the car. The fact is that back in May, the Chinese Ministry of Industry and Information Technology posted patent snapshots of the future market debutante on the web. However, official photos allow you to get a better look at his new large mesh grille. It gives the SUV a more severe appearance and makes it something similar to a Ridgeline pickup truck. The thin LED headlamps placed at the edges further emphasize the size of this grille. In the hybrid versions of Sport and Sport Touring, more aggressive front and rear panels will also be added. Honda has not just updated the body panels of the crossover, giving it a more powerful look. The model has become almost 7 cm longer and 1.3 cm wider than its predecessor. The wheelbase of the Honda Srv 2023 is now 4 cm larger. Of course, for many, these figures do not sound so impressive, but this suggests that the novelty has become the largest version of the Cross of all existing. Passengers in the back row of seats will get more legroom. In addition, the cargo space in the luggage compartment has increased. There are not many surprises in the interior of the car. The new Honda RV borrowed most of the elements from the last Civic. The SUV received the same stylish layout with a standard 7.0-inch multimedia touchscreen. In addition, a 7.0-inch digital instrument panel meets the driver in the cabin, and in more expensive configurations, the touchpad of the infotainment complex will increase to 9.0 inches. In the base, the interior is finished with gray and black fabric upholstery. Leather is available for an additional fee. According to the manufacturer, the center console of the updated Cross offers more storage space than any other car in the class. As for the equipment of the Japanese novelty, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard for all configurations, as well as a set of Honda sensing driver assistance and safety systems. This package includes a wide-angle camera with a 90-degree viewing angle and a radar system capable of seeing 120 degrees. The monitoring of blind zones is also basic. The Honda Traffic Jam Assist system with low-speed braking and sign recognition is also available to the SUV. For the first time, the car is equipped with motion control during descent. At the time of launch, the Japanese will be offered in 4 versions. The first 2 complete sets, EX and EXL, are equipped with the already familiar 1.5-liter 4-cylinder turbo unit, which produces 190 forces. In the Sport and Sport Touring versions, the car is driven by a hybrid system, which is based on a 2.0-liter engine. This unit generates 204 horsepower and 335 torque. The cost of the updated SUV will be announced a little later. Now the price of a car in America is a minimum of $28,045. The cost of the new generation CRV is expected to rise to $30,000.